This video addresses topics of an adult nature, so viewers' discretion is advised. You said anything I can't see, I don't believe. Is that what you said?
Yes. Anything I see it, I believe. No seeing, no belief.
Okay, have you seen your brain?
I don't know. No. Where is the brain?
So you don't have brain?
No.
That's a genius.
Okay, tell me why don't you like the Quran? Why not?
I never believe it. Rubbish.
Why? Come. You're like my grandfather. I like you. You're very funny.
No funny. I don't like it.
No problem. Tell me why. I want to understand.
I don't like it.
Have you read it?
No, I don't like to read it even.
So you haven't read it?
At home, do you know what you do? At home. Do you know they put two Quran and the
At home, I sit on sofa.
Oh, he's a good Muslim.
I have bad reputation of sitting on sofa.
Oh, Allah, there is one guy. His name is.
Too many people know of me sitting on sofa.
Where is Hussein? There is no Hussein. Anyone push children?
Whoa!
Push children.
Whoa.
1 million Hussein, 2 million Hussein, 3 million Hussein, and no one see Hussein. Where is the Hussein?
Are you Iraqi?
Wait, don't go.
What? Very emotional. My friend, it will be very emotional. Just listen to this brother, this gentleman, and
Handsome brother.
Jesus, who is this one? Rubbish, my friend, rubbish.
Why?
Rubbish.
Yeah, why rubbish?
Because they make us slave.
You said everything rubbish.
The Quran is make us slave.
Yeah, who are you slave to? You're slave to government.
For American and European people.
You're a slave for American European people.
Yeah, the content of your wife is coming from America, my friend.
My wife or your wife?
My wife and your wife and every wife, the content is coming from America.
My wife is not coming from America.
It's coming from America, my friend. I am 100%, I told you.
You know.
He's got you. Go find for me. Okay, go to your home today. Find for me something to threaten and down. Made in Saudi Arabia, or made in Iraq, or made in Pakistan.
That's a very good point. My football is made in Pakistan.
Yeah. Pakistan they play football.
They make football, Sial Court.
But my friend, 2 million Iraq. Do you remember anything?
He asked a question. He said, what happens when you die?
When I die? When I die, I go to Jahannam.
No.
I am sure 100%.
No.
I am going to Jahannam. Do you know why I'm going to Jahannam? Only me are going to heaven. Do you know why? Because in the Quran it said, nikah. I do nikah too much for to go to heaven.
Okay, no problem. Okay. You know, the Muslims.
Listen to you too much.
Listen to me. Don't listen to him then.
It's enough for Iraqi people to listen to you. You are rubbish. Quran is rubbish. Bible is rubbish. Everything is rubbish.
Show you rapper. I'm sorry. You know why I'm saying that? It's still what you're saying is still more ridiculous than the show you rapper, because with the show you rapper, everybody knows it's part of a game, but you have turned our existence into a game. Just because there's problems in Iraq, just because there's problems amongst the Saudis, that doesn't make what the Quran say wrong. That doesn't make what the Prophet say wrong. Tell me, give me one Muslim country today.
If you, for example, if you like this, you go to Iraq, but if you do shaving, they kill you in 2 minutes.
Okay, but you didn't answer the question. Give me one Muslim country.
There is no way. All of them they are Muslim. Pakistani Muslim, Iraqi Muslim, Iran Muslim. But at the end, which one of them is Muslim? There is no Muslim country.
Secular democratic countries.
They are Muslim. Do you know what they are Muslim?
They don't follow Islam. They don't follow Sharia properly.
They follow Islam. Do you know how?
Which Islam?
Super
Mario Islam.
When they do a marriage, 4 wife. We are Muslim, good Muslim.
Exactly my point.
4 wife. After that, 3 out, bring another 3, and 3 out, bring another 3. And Muslim. We follow Islam.
He's a nice guy though.
I told you before, the first minute. Anything, I never tease my. This two eyes, I never believe it. You see prophet with eyes.
And I told you, you haven't seen your brain, and then you said, I haven't seen my brain. Then I say, does that mean you don't have brain? You said, I don't have brain.
I have no brain.
That's part of your sympathy.
Do you know what happened like me?
Okay, where's your father? Where's your father?
My father passed away.
Where is he? Which country?
Which country? One country, they call it Iraq.
Iraq, yeah? Okay. Your great-great-great-grandfather, did you see him?
Yes, I see him.
How? Your four. Great-great-great-great-grandfather.
Great-grandfather, I never see him, but I see my grandfather.
Okay, have you ever seen a polar bear in your life?
No.
Does it mean polar bears don't exist?
I believe, do you know what?
You believe polar bears?
In 1980, why did it happen to me like this? In 1980.
Are we talking about polar bears?
No. And if I find it the best education, I find it the best treatment, I got the knowledge.
Uncle, listen to me.
They give me benefit, and after that they come.
You got benefits, yeah? Okay, no problem.
If I go to Saudi Arabia, I'll let you.
Is that where you got the shirt from?
If I go to Saudi Arabia, they give me housing benefit.
No, of course not. But that doesn't make Islam wrong. Just because Saudi doesn't give you benefit, Uncle.
Islam, he never said housing benefit.
Uncle, what do you use to get the benefit? I will buy for you, no problem.
You buy for me?
I will buy for you.
Get the Quran to give me.
The Quran will not give you. The Quran is guidance. We need to read the Quran to get the guidance. You don't read Quran, that's why you don't have guidance. That's why you tell me you don't have brain.
My friend, let me just show for you one thing. Enjoy your life in London and take it bird and shave it and go enjoy your life. Eat McDonald's, KFC, nice clothes.
I have McDonald's.
House, nice everything.
I have McDonald's in Dubai.
In this religion.
I have fish burger.
Only they call you terrorist and terrorist.
Uncle, be honest. Let's be on the level. Do you think my beard looks nice?
No, not nice.
What?
Do you know why? Not nice.
Uncle, this is.
Women in this world, they don't like beard.
Uncle.
They call you anyone you find this one, you go, oh, terrorist, we find a terrorist, Arabic terrorist.
Uncle, no one.
Arabic terrorist.
Uncle, no one
calls terrorist. Who calling Iraqi people? George Bush, but George Bush, he said, oh, those people, they help me.
Doesn't have a beard, though, does he?
Huh?
That's a good point. George Bush doesn't have beard.
If George Bush, you got the beard.
Then he's a terrorist.
No. A good Muslim. They call him good Muslim.
Who's this guy that you listen to so much?
True.
Uncle, who do you believe created you?
My father and my mother.
Okay.
My father gave shakes to my mother and I come in.
Nice.
Nice, yes.
I like. Okay. If we go all the way back, the first human being, the first creation, living.
Adam and Hawa, they do sex and they bring children and they call them.
Before. Who created Adam?
No one knows. Who knows? Do you know?
I'm asking you. That's why.
For myself, I don't know who created Adam.
So how do you think living being was on this planet, the first living organism on this planet?
I don't know because I never see it. I never see them. If I see them, I told you, but I don't know.
You don't know? How old are you, Uncle?
61.
61, mashallah, you look 25. It's the shirt, to be honest.
If I go like this to Iraq, do you know what they do with me?
They will raise you up and say, Uncle is here, Uncle is here.
They're going to kick me, nice beating.
I thought you don't know.
Yeah, no, don't say Iraq. You're not going to say Iraq. Okay, Uncle, so you don't know. But Uncle, you said what, you're 25 or 30, yeah? So, Uncle, you've lived half of your life now. You're, mashallah, very young. Don't you think it's very important to know who created the first living being, where life comes from?
What's important?
Very important, Uncle.
No, it's not important.
Okay, let me ask you.
It's important to eat well, sleeping well, nice woman with me. Thank you very much.
Nice. Uncle, then what's the difference between you and animal?
If I know who's created Jesus and Muhammad.
Uncle, one step. You're too advanced for me. Okay, so you said eating, drinking, and having sex, yeah? No sex. No sex for you.
Not only sex. Normal life, everything's life, normal.
Okay. Then how is that different to an animal? Would you want to live like an animal, Uncle?
We are all animals.
Uncle, what animal are you?
We are all animals, but only the difference between us.
Can I be lion, Uncle? Can you be rhinoceros?
Only the difference between us and animals.
Yeah.
Animal, there is no brain, but we have got the brain. Animal.
But Uncle, you said you don't have brain either, though.
Let's make sure with you. Animals speak to animals. Human beings, we speak to each other.
So because
this is the difference.
Okay, but uncle, human beings understand the concept of beauty. They understand the concept of why they question their own existence. Animals cannot.
No, oh, animals. Maybe with the goat, the animals is better than you.
How do you know, uncle? You never spoken to. Have you spoken to animal, uncle?
No, but animals, if you teach them, they speak. You see that sometimes you find that dogs.
They speak, uncle, but they don't question the existence. They're not conscious like we are.
No. They are some of them. They are very clever and they speak.
I agree.
Like cats,
They speak, but do they question the existence, though?
We are different with animals. Animals speak to animals.
Uncle, you said we are the same.
We are the same. Do you know we got only the different? Do you know the difference between us and animals?
What's the difference, uncle? Tell me.
Different. We are got brain, but animal there is no. Maybe they got the brain, but for themselves. For us, no.
But that's what I was saying. We have a more deeper understanding of existence.
You see sometimes dogs speaking to dogs.
Uncle, I'm not going to speak to dog.
No. Dogs speaking to dog.
Yeah, they do.
Cat speak to cat.
They do.
They do. What is the difference between us and them?
Purpose. We know our purpose. We question why we're here. Cat doesn't do that.
But
Cat.
the question they never. But the question you ask it, we never reach the result. The question we ask it. Oh, we got Hussein. Everyone called children.
No
Hussein.
cat says, "Do you have Hussein?"
Huh?
No cat. Well, did you say the cat says that?
No, we are human being.
Yeah.
We speak too much, and at the end, we spend million years after years, times after times, hours after hours reading Quran. We're going to mosque praying.
Okay,
we
uncle.
do nothing.
Uncle, listen to me. We have Al-Khwarizmi. He was a Muslim who created algebra.
You see him in real life?
He's died long time ago.
Who said there is a Khwarizmi?
It's in the history books. His grave is there.
History books. History books.
You don't believe in history books?
No, there is no books. I believe it.
But-
Until I see it in my eyes. I see Sheikh Khwarizmi. Those people, my friend,
Uncle, I realize what the problem is. You said you only believe when you see something, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, do you see your heart?
I never believe it. Where is the heart?
You don't believe you have a heart?
Oh, I got a heart. Where is the heart?
I don't see either. Uncle,
there's no heart.
I don't think you have a heart.
My friend, those people.
That's the problem, uncle. You don't have brain, you don't have heart.
There is a big problem.
That's the big problem.
The big problem between us and European people and American people, we are spent too much time.
Uncle, let me say one thing. You put mask on.
Listen for you.
No, for me no. I said you have mask on. I said you have it. Yeah,
I have it.
Yeah, you have it. Why?
America, they want like this. To work in this one. Oh, disease is coming. Disease is coming. Disease is coming.
No, COVID. Where's COVID? Show me COVID.
I never see it.
Then don't take the mask off. Put it on the floor.
No, the question is like this. If we never wear it, they never let us sit down in the McDonald's or KFC because one day I try it. They said, no. Where is the mask? Where is the ticket?
Uncle, nobody's hair is telling you to wear the mask though.
We are only, do you know, following what they do America.
Then uncle, don't follow them then. Take it off.
Take it off. Everyone teach us like this.
But uncle, you said you were going to.
The question is like this, the difference. Do you know what is the difference? There is a difference between East and West. The Eastern people like Iraqi, Afghani, Pakistani, Saudi.
Okay. East, West, Islam is the best.
No. There is a difference between East and West.
Islam is the best.
People